In this video, I will show you how to use the midpoint formula. Before using the midpoint formula, it may be helpful to visualize what it even means. So, the idea is simple. It is simply the point in between 2 points, the center point. Let's say this first point is P1, this is P2, with coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2. The center, which is the midpoint, will have the formula x1 plus x2 over 2. And the second coordinate will be y1 plus y2 over 2. So say the question given is find the midpoint between 7 minus 2 and 9, 5. So our midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 over 2, comma y1 plus y2 over 2. So we know that 7 minus 2 is x1, y1, and 9, 5 is x2, y2. So plugging it into our formula, we have x1 is 7 plus x2 is 9 for 2, comma, and then y1 is minus 2 plus y2 is 5 over 2, and that gives us 16 over 2, comma, 3 over 2. And you can reduce this first coordinate to 8, and leave the other one at 3 over 2. And there you have it, that's the midpoint. Alright, so we have another set of points, 2, 3, and minus 4, minus 4. So again, our formula is x1 plus x2 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2. And we know that 2, 3 is x1 and y1, minus 4 is x2, y2. So plugging into our formula, x1 is 2, x2 is minus 4, all that over 2, comma, y1 is 3, y2 is minus 4, all that over 2, and we have minus 2 over 2, and minus 1 over 2. So we get minus 1, minus 1/2. And so you have it. That's the midpoint between the 2 points. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe for more content.